continue the Shravan series that I talked about. I'm going to share all my mom's favorite recipes. I'm very excited about today's episode because I'm going to share a very dear recipe that mom used to always make, especially the day before the Nag Panchami, where we used to hold upvas for my brother. That's called Bhavacha upvas. And while breaking the fast, I used to make this feast. And it's called kadan, which is made from mugachi dal. It's like a paisam kind of thing. Pohe, puria and usar. This is a typical breakfast item which is served in Karwar. Since my mom is from Karwar region, so this is very favorite of hers. And it's really amazing recipe. You would love it. And please do try and let me know your comments. And I'm very excited. We're going to start with the usar first. And then I'm going to show you the recipe for the pohe and the kadan. Let's get started. And this particular usar is made from this white vatana that you can see, the pulse. I've soaked that for about 8 hours overnight. Okay, it's very simple recipe. I've taken 1 teaspoon of oil. In that I'm going to add chopped onion, medium size. It doesn't require too many spices in this. You just saute that for a minute, and then I'm going to add haldi powder, which is turmeric, and chili powder, and just add those soaked safed vatana or white vatana, and I'm going to pressure cook it. Okay, now that you've seen, I just sauteed onions for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And then I've added my white vatana. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, and I'm going to pressure cook it now. Make sure it's not like exactly like ragda, but it has to be nicely cooked. So depending upon your pressure pan, judge it. I'm going to add about half bowl of water to it and pressure cook it now. White vatana for the usar, they have been pressure cooked, and look at that. It's not too mushy, but you can press it with your hand, and that's how the texture you want it. And I also add the salt before cooking, so don't forget that. It's cooked. And I'm just going to add fresh coconut grated, and simple as that. This is the usar that we eat along with that kadan, puri and pohe. And this is one of the popular breakfast item. So this is ready. So we're going to make pohe for this usar, pohe and puria, which is a breakfast item, which is a Karwari dish I'm showing you. So for the pohe, we have to take patar pohe, patla poha. Okay, and I've taken fresh coconut, grated coconut, and this is a paste I've made with ginger, chilies, green chilies and haldi. Okay, so it has turmeric, ginger and green chilies, and also I'm going to add some sugar and salt, and the key ingredient just to wet it a little bit is the chahatsa arka, which is plain tea with no masala tea or anything, just regular tea that you make with chai ki patti, sugar, and just boil it and sift it. Okay, so that we just have to add a little bit to get that thing wet. Okay, so I'm going to start making this now. Let's add the haldi, ginger and green chili mixture. I'm going to add some salt to it and some sugar, because we have added sugar to the chaha also, the tea concentrate that we made. And I'm going to add the fresh coconut, and this we have to mix it with your hand. Just try making this poha, it's amazing. You would love this, and this is in combination with that usar. You have to mix this with the usar and eat with the puris. Give it a try, you would love it. And please send your comments in the comments box, okay, once you make it. So make sure it gets nicely crushed, because that's the only way you're going to have the pohas all the flavors. थोडे नरम झाले पाहिजेत बेसिकली हे पोहे. I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of tea concentrate. Now our pohe are ready. It absolutely doesn't take more than 5 minutes to make these pohas. So पातळ पोहे, खोबरं, एक वाटीभर छान ओलं खोबरं, हिरवी मिरची, आलं आणि हळदीचा ठेचा आणि फ्रेश चहाचा अर्क. And then you're going to add a little bit of sugar, a teaspoon of sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt. And that's about it. And try to just muscle-ify a little bit, you know, like this, so everything gets, the masala gets onto the pohe. And now I'm going to show you the final serving with usar, pohe, purya and kadad. Now we're going to start making kadad, which is made out of moong dal. I have taken 1 cup of moong dal. I'm going to dry roast it. I'm not going to add any ghee or clarified butter to it, just dry roast it. It's very healthy recipe, if you see, and made with jaggery and very flavorful. And this is this used to be the accompaniment that I used to make it for that particular feast. The day before Nag Panchami, which is Bhavacha Upwas, for breaking the fast, she used to make kadad, puris and usar and pohe. As you can see, the dal is nicely roasted. You can see it's pinkish in color now. You have to dry roast it for exactly 10 to 12 minutes. And I took it about 1 cup of moong dal, and on like sim, on low flame, I dry roasted it, and I've kept the water to boil. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water, hot water. And let it cook now. You don't have to pressure cook this because you don't want the dal to be very mushy. You have to see the grains of it, you know. I'll cover it now and let it cook. It's been about 8 minutes that I had kept it covered, and you can see the water has reduced. I think I'll have to add another half a cup of water because it's not been exactly cooked the way we want it. I can press it, but you know, it has to be completely pressed with your finger. So we'll have to cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes now. You can see our dal is perfectly cooked. It has to be boat-shapy, not too much mushy. You can see some of them are still, grains are not completely cooked. That is how you want it. If you put it in pressure cooker, you're going to get it mushy dal. Okay, so for kadad you want a little bit, some of them should be mushy and some of them should be, you know, like this. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. And the jaggery. Now next step, I'm going to add the jaggery or gul. It's a pretty easy recipe and not too many ingredients in here, and very healthy also. How I wish you could smell the aroma. Let the jaggery melt now. I'm just going to add pinch of fresh cardamom powder and also cashew nuts. So in all, we used triple the amount of water. So I took 1 cup of this moong dal and I used about 3 cups of water for that. Okay, hot water to cook it. And make sure when you're covering the lid, when you're cooking the dal, leave a little bit open so that it won't overflow. The water won't overflow. Okay, that's a tip. Now the jaggery is completely melted, as you can see. And the final step is just key ingredient is pinch of salt to any sweet dish. That enhances the flavor. And I'm going to add the ground fresh cardamom powder, velchi pud, and few cashew nuts. and that's about it. And our kadan is ready to be. Now usar poha puria are ready to be served along with kadan. The recipe is in the description box below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to palate.